Hello YouTube. So here's the day. It's next day from yesterday when I picked up the my Voge. Today I'm gonna go and pick up from the storage my monkey, Honda monkey bike, 125cc mini bike. So as it's now about 3 years old, I did get the new battery for it. See the full bat. The battery cost me about 16 euros. The original USA, it was 42 euros to order. Takes about 4 or 5 days, because it comes by land from Germany, and on spot it was 52 euros. So I decided to go with this one instead this time, to see how this one works. And it's been sitting here on the trickle charger now for about 6 hours. It was fully charged from the store, from the factory, and they said leave it on the trickle charger for a day, and then it should be good. So what else did I get? I did get the so I can connect the trickle charger on my bike. What they didn't have in stock was just the wires with the plug. They had wires with crocodiles on them. So what the guy did, he sold me this set for the price of just the wires, and told me, see, there's even Allen key for it, to remove these bolts and it becomes just the wires. And they come in two sizes. See, this is M6, the other one I think was M8 or M10. So this is a smaller version for this battery. So that was great. I mean, I love companies when the guy behind the counter goes extra mile just to help you out, you know. Even with this battery. See, this battery is FTX 4L VS, and the other one I believe was 5, which means it was dry from the factory, so they had to add chemicals to it, and it would have to sit for an hour, or it takes an hour for them to prepare the battery. And then he did some research for a couple of minutes and said, hey, I have a same kind of battery, already chemicals in it, which will fit your bike. And I said, yeah, hell yeah. So I'm good with that. This will go on the bike. I never had the trickle charger before, so this time I'll install it. Took me a while to to decide on that one, but actually, you know, I didn't have any power outlets close to my motorcycle before, but now we have an small electric car, so I can use this wall charger. Also, time to time plug in my motorcycle. And also the insurance. Did the insurance for 6 months, again like 1566 euros, very cheap. So I'm good to go. Now waiting for my driver to come, and this time I'm taking the pump with me also. I'm ready, getting ready. Okay, next. So yesterday I pushed the bike because there was no gasoline in. Today I tried to play a little bit smarter, taking my bag with me, and we'll go and refuel it with this way. So we got 2 liters in the bag, and see what we're dealing here in Estonia with. It's 9 p.m. In the winter time I would be almost sleeping, but now full of life. Let's go. Okay, here it is. This is the USB thing right here, and then goes another one for the trickle charger. Okay, see? Okay, USB charger, trigger charger, both installed. Hopefully the seat fits now and I'm all good. Let's see. Let's put the ignition on. We're good. Okay, monkey is ready to go. So this was my storage, about 1.5 meters and 4 meters long. 2 motorcycles here for the period. I think it was like 60 euros, 60 something euros a month. But it's nice and warm. But this year I didn't have a chance to come and do any work here. I was did other stuff. Okay, let's push it out and clean it up and off we go. Meistä ja puhas. Aitäh. Väga kogemus. No. Monkey fits here perfect. So yeah, for you guys who don't know, who are here for monkey video, I do also have a Vosge Rally 300 or 300 Rally. So check out those videos also. And we're out. In goes the fuel. We'll start it. Birds are back. A lot of them. Finally it gets warmer. Like this. Maybe this one has a gasoline in because the other one was totally empty. I had to push it to the gas station. Yeah, no problems. Let's see how many kilometers this one has. 6,178. Nice. Yeah, let's fuel her up. This is how Desert Forks works. Here you go. Drink it, baby. Okay, fueled up. I did put some air on the tires too, into the tires, so I'm ready to go. It's not too cold. I did put 2 liters almost in, but see, still on 1 bar, so it was pretty empty. ABS is on because of the battery was off, so you need to ride about 20 kilometers per hour, it shuts off. So I'm looking good. Let's go. And we're home. If you haven't ridden monkey bike, go and try one. They're awesome. Nice and clean in the storage, so that's what I like. You take it from there, you're good to go. Okay. Next to Vosge here, nicely.